Okay, good morning children. So, in today's class, you are going to learn about cylinders, which you have learned in class 8. So, in the last class, you have learned about cubes, cuboids regarding their surface areas and volumes. So, in today, you are going to learn about cylinder. So, there are some formulae. So, let us take one. So, the first one is the curved surface area, which is also called the lateral surface area. So now this one is given by twice pi RH. Supposing this is a cylinder, hollow cylinder. So this one is called hollow, which you have got in class 8. So this one is hollow. This is called the hollow cylinder, and this surface is the curved one because it is not plane. So it is the curve. So that is why this part is called so from the top to the base. So this part is called the curve. So this is called the curved surface. Or this is also called the lateral surface area, which is given by the formula twice pi RH. So here R is the radius, then here H is the height of the cylinder. So here the pi value, as you know it, so pi is 22/7. So this value is the value of the pi. Then next one, so this is called the curved surface area or the lateral surface area. So this is called the curve. So this part is called the curve, or this is also called the lateral surface area. So that one is given by twice by RH, radius and then height. Next one is the total surface area. So total means they will take, supposing this is a solid. Now you just assume that this cylinder is solid one. Let us think that this one is the solid one. So this is not hollow, just to think that there is a surface on this, and this one is not hollow. This one is solid inside. So now if you take the total surface area, that means total means the complete surface. So supposing you have taken this, the curved surface area, that one is given by, so the curved surface area, so this complete curve, so this will be given by twice pi RH. So 2 pi RH, radius and height, plus you have got one ring. This is one circular ring. Think that there is a surface. You just think that there is a surface because it's solid one. So here there is a surface. So that means this one is circular. So you get the area of a circle. Supposing radius is r. So you get the whole area of this circle using the formula that is pi r square. So pi r square. So here you have got two circular means surface. So circular one. So this part and then this one. So here you have got two circular ends. So there is a surface. That means you are going to count the total surface area. So this is the curved one. So 2 pi RH. This is the circle having a surface, and there is also at this end there is a circle having its surface. So the area of a circle, this entire area is given by pi r square. So here r is the radius of the circle. So here you will get pi r square. So this one pi r square, then plus this one. So plus pi r square. So you add this, so twice pi RH. So 2 pi RH plus pi r square plus pi r square. You will get twice pi r square. So if you take common from these two, so here on both sides there is twice pi r, twice pi r. So on both sides there is the common. So 2 pi r, so 2 pi r. So you take 2 pi r common. So 2 pi r. Then there is one h. So you see 2 pi r h. So 2 pi r h. Then plus you will need one r because there is r square. So 2 pi r into r square. So 2 pi r square. So now 2 pi r h. So 2 pi r h then 2 pi r into r, so 2 pi r square, so 2 pi r square. So this is the formula to find the total surface area. So to get the total surface area, we do take the curved surface area. This is called the curved surface area or the lateral surface area. That one is given by 2 pi r h. So 2 pi r h. Then you take the two ends. So that both the ends are circular. So you get this. So you get the area of a circle, that is using the formula pi r square. So pi r square, this one, this complete surface, and then this one. Just to think that this one is solid, it is not hollow. Then you will get one surface on this. So this one, the circular, this is the second one, circular face, and then the curve. So that is why pi r square on this, pi r square. So pi r square, and then this is the curved surface area, which is given by 2 pi r h. And then you will get the formula 2 pi r into r plus h. So this is the formula to find the total surface area. Next comes the supposing. Now here, if we take in this way, if I take this surface, if I take this book and I take this surface, and then you will see that there is a ring is there, and then there is hollow, and then inside there is hollow. So on both ends you will get there is a ring is there. So that means you have got two circular ends of this kind. So you have got two circular ends of this kind. So here there is inner one, and then there is the outer one. So to get the area of this ring, this one, because there is no surface on this. So to get the area of this ring, you have got two circles. One is the external, and the other is the internal. So this is the internal circle, this is the external circle. So the radius will be different. So let us take, so there are two concentric circles. So 1, 2. So there is two circles with the common center. So you just think in this way. So this part is this is the part. So you are going to find the area of this part. So that is why here you have taken the inner radius. This is r. So you have taken this circle. This means inner one. So the radius is r. You have taken, and to get the area of this circle, this whole area within this boundary. So that is pi r square, which we have got in class 7 and 8 also. So now this is the formula. So pi r square. So this is the whole formula is pi r square. So here the radius is taken small r. So by doing pi r square, you will get the complete area within the circle. Next, you take this outer circle. Radius is r. This is the center. So here the radius is r. So you have taken this means outer circle as this one. So the radius is r. So to get the area of this whole circle, you will take pi r square. Now you want the area within this ring. So you need this area only. So from the total area, total means this whole area. So this whole area means this complete circle. That is the pi r square. So from pi r square, subtract this one, subtract this part. So this means the circle that is inside. So pi r square. So this part is this one. So you subtract this part. So from the whole circle. So this means this circle covering the entire area. So that is pi r square. So this complete area is pi r square. And then deducting this means inner circle. So this area you have deducted. So you will get this. So you will get this ring. So this inner area. So this part you will get. So that means pi r square means this whole circle, pi r square, capital R, and this pi r square means this circle, this complete. So from the total area, that is pi pi r square minus this inner circle. So this part, that is this part. You will get this part. That is the area of the ring. So that means pi r square minus pi r square. So you take this pi common. Then r square minus r square. So this is the formula to get the area of the ring. Now one more is there for the cylinder. That is the volume. So volume of the cylinder, that means the amount of space occupied within this container. That means inside how much the space is there. So to get its volume, that is the pi r square h. So here r is the radius, h is the height. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So these four formulas are related to the cylinder. Let us take exercise 13.2, question number 1. Question number 1, the curved surface area, of a right circular cylinder. So right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter is 88 centimeter square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. So find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. So now here they have given the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height. So the height is given, and they have given the curved surface area, which is also called the lateral surface area. So the curved surface area is 88 centimeter square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. So that means you are going to find the diameter of the base. So they have given that the diameter of the base, because this is the circular and this is the base. So these are called the base ends. So since this one is circular, you have got one diameter. So supposing the center is here, just in the middle, and by just drawing a line touching its circles passing through the center, that will be called the diameter. So that is why to get the diameter, you have to find the radius, because the radius is half of the diameter. So to get the diameter, that will be double of the radius. So now here they have, so here now let base radius, we generally call base, let the base radius of cylinder be r. Let us take as r, radius be r. And the height of the cylinder is given. So height h equals to, so the height is 14. So here the height is given 14. So height equals to h. So it is 14 centimeter. Then they have given the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 88 centimeter square. So the curved, so in short we can write always like, so the curved surface area or the lateral surface area. So the curved surface area of cylinder, so it is given 88. So it is given 88. So 88 centimeter square. Now simple thing, just you need to know the formula of this. They have given the curved surface area, they have given the height, you have to find the radius from this formula. So the curved surface area, this one is given by 2 pi r h. So 2 pi RH formula. So curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH. So in this place you will write 2 pi RH equals to 88. Then so 2 into, so pi is 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into the radius they have not given. Let it be taken as R. So R into H. H is given 14. So the height is given 14. So it will be 14 equals to 88. Now on cancelling, you have got 2. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 22, 88. So 88 R. So 88 R equals to 88. So this gives R equals to 88 divided by 88. So you got 1 centimeter. This is called the radius. But they have told you to find the diameter of the base. So you have to find the diameter. So the radius is, that means 1 centimeter. So to get the diameter is double of the radius. Because this is the circle and then this is the center. So then from this center to the point of the circle, so this will be called radius. Again the same thing, from the center to a point of the circle, radius. So R plus R, you will get diameter. So that is why radius is 1. So to get the diameter, so that will be double. So now therefore diameter equals to, so 2 into 1 is equal to 2 centimeters. So the double of the radius. So you have got the diameter. So here they have given the height is given, radius is not given, so we have just taken as R. Then here they have given the next one is the curved surface area, which is also called the lateral surface area. So that one is given 88 centimeters squared. So you took the curved surface area of the cylinder, 88. Then you have used the formula, and by solving, and the pi value is always 22 by 7. So here you use, and the height is given 40, radius they have not given, you have to find it out. Then by cancelling you got RS, that means 1 centimeter. So the diameter is double of the radius, so you got 2 centimeter. This is your answer. Let us take question number 2. So it is given that it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base diameter 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. So from a metal sheet. How many square meters of the sheet are required? So now here they have given it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height, that means 1 meter, and the base diameter is 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. So here supposing you take that this is a cylinder. Now they are going to make this cylindrical tank. Assume that this is the tank, cylindrical one. So that the height is given. That means 1 meter and the base diameter. So this is the circular. So there is a diameter. So diameter is given 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. So now they are going to make this tank from a metallic sheet. So as this is a tank, there is going to be a base, there is going to be a cover. Cover will be there. That means this is a solid one. So here this is the tank. So there inside it is hollow, but there is a cover because this is a tank. So they have said this is a tank. So something you keep inside. So there is going to be a cover, and then there is a base. So the base will be there, the top surface will be there, and the curved surface area. So now they have said, so from a metallic sheet, so they are going to make this tank from a metallic sheet. How many square meters of the sheet are required? So you have to find the area of square meter of the sheet. So that means you are going to find the total surface area. That means you will take both the circular ends, this one and the curve. That is why here you are going to count the total surface area. Why? Because this is a tank where there is going to be a cover above it, lid will be there. There is the cover, and then the base will be there, and then the curved surface. So you are going to use the metallic sheet on the two ends, circular ends, as well as the curved surface area. That is why you are going to use the total surface area. Now here they have given how many square meters. So here they have given in meter, but here they have given the base diameter is 140 centimeters. So they have given in centimeter. So you are going to convert the centimeter to meter because they have given how many square meters, not centimeter. So that is why first you will convert the centimeter into meter. So now 4a, it is the solution. 4a tank, cylindrical tank. So closed one. This is a closed one. So closed tank. This is a closed tank. So the height 1 meter. Then so here height equals to 1 meter. So it is given. Then base radius. So base radius, because we did not write the diameter, make it half. Even if they have given the diameter, you just make it half, because in your formula you will get R, not D. So they have given the diameter is 140, just make it half, you will get 70 centimeter. So now you convert it to meter. As you know it that to convert centimeter to meter, so you divide by 100. So 70 by 100, so meter. So it will be 0, 0 cancel. So you get 7 by 10 meter. 7 by 10 meter. Now they have said that how many, so this is a closed tank. As this is a closed tank, so there will be surfaces on both the circular ends as well as the curved surface. So the entire tank is made with the metallic sheet. So that is why you have to find the actual area, that is the square meter of the metallic sheet used in making this tank. So therefore area of metal sheet used equals to, so this means the total surface area of tank, which is given by 2 pi r into r plus h. So r is the radius, h is the height. So now by calculation, 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into radius. So radius you got 7 by 10. So it is 7 by 10 into r. So it is 7 by 10 radius. So plus h. So your h is given 1 meter. So 1 meter square, because you are finding the area. That is why meter square. So now this 7 will cancel. Then 2 into 5, 10. So here you got equals to, so it is 22 by 5. So 22 by 5 into, so you take the LCM. So 7 plus 10 divided by 10. Because here the LCM is 10. So 7 plus 10 divided by 10. So you got 22 by 5 into 17 by 10. Now here, so 2 into 11. Let us do it like this. So 5 3s are 15.4. Now 3.4 into 22. So it will be 8, 6, 8, 6. So it will be 7. So here before the point there is a digit. So it will be 74.8. So 74.8 divided by 10 meters square. So as the number of 0 is 1, if you divide, then the point will move to the left after a digit, because the number of 0 is 1. So equals to u. So the point is now here. So as the number of 0 is 1, so from your previous knowledge, so the point will move just to the left after a digit. So it will be 7.48 meters square. So that means this much of the square sheet will be required to make the tank. So here you have used the total surface area, because the tank is a closed one where there is going to be a cover and there is going to be the base, and both the ends are the circular and then the curved surface. That is why the total formula is the total surface area of a tank, that is given by twice by r into r plus h. Next, here they have asked how many square meters. So they have asked the question to get in meters. That is why you have converted centimeter to meter. So centimeter into meter, and then we have simplified. Let us take the next one. Question number 3. Question number 3. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. So 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter, and the outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter. So 4.4 centimeter. Find its number 1 inner curved surface. So inner curved surface area. So C as an inner curved surface area. Number 2, the outer curved surface. So outer curved surface area. And number 3, that is the total area. Now here they have given a metric pipe is 77 centimeter long. Let us assume that this is a pipe. So just you think that this is a pipe, this is a hollow one. So think that this is a pipe. So the shape is cylinder. So here the length is 77 centimeter long. Long means if you keep this way, this will be the length. But just you keep it horizontal, that means vertically, that will be the height. So here long means the height. So this is the 77 centimeter. The inner diameter. So here they have given 2 types of diameter. One is the inner diameter of a cross section. So that is, this is called the cross section. So here now, supposing you take this one. Now in this one, you will get that this is the outer diameter, outer circle, where the center is just at the middle. You will have to assume that center is just here, just at the center, and from the center a line is passing, touching the ends of the circle. Sorry, touching the circle. That means both ends. So that means there is a outer diameter, because the circle is two. One is the outer circle, one is the inner circle. So here you will get one inner circle. This is the inner one. This is the outer one, and then there is the center, common center. So you will get the outer diameter, and then you will get the inner diameter. So that is why the inner diameter of a cross section, that is the inner diameter is given 4 centimeter and its outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter. That is why this is the inner diameter here, passing through the center from this point to this point. This is called the inner diameter, and from here to here, this will be called the outer diameter, passing through the center. So now here there is a find its inner CSA, that is the inner curved surface. So if I just unfold it, you will get it plain, but I have folded it, but there is a surface, because this one is hollow pipe. So you can see inside. So that is why there is a surface inside the pipe. So since this is the pipe, this one is hollow one, so you will get the inner curved surface area. That is the curved one, because this is cylinder. So there is a surface inside. That is why they have said inner. So curved surface area. So for the inner curved surface, you will use the inner radius. Inner radius. That is the R, smaller. And for the outer curved surface, that means for the outer surface, that is for this surface. So the outer, this is called the outer curved surface. So here the diameter is going to be the outer one. That is why you are going to use the outer radius. So the outer radius for this, the outer radius, it is going to be denoted by capital R. And to get the total area, so total area of this pipe will be coming to this after doing this two. So now solution for a metal pipe. So metallic pipe. So here the length is given. So here that means the height. So height is given. So it is h, height. So the long means the length, that means the height. So the height is given 77 centimeter. This is h, height. And then the inner diameter. So that means here the inner radius denoted by small r. So the inner will be the smaller one, outer will be the bigger one. So it is the inner diameter. So I took the inner radius denoted by smaller equals to, so the diameter is 4, that will be half. 4 by 2 is equal to 2 centimeter. And the outer diameter, that will be, so the outer radius, that will be denoted by capital R. So here they have given the outer diameter. This is the bigger one. So you have found its radius, which is called the outer radius, denoted by capital R, equals to 4.4 by 2. You will get 2.2 centimeter. Now here number 1, find its inner curved surface area, or the inner lateral surface area. So the curved surface area is also called the lateral surface area. So the inner curved surface area. So inner curved surface area. So here now the formula is 2 pi RH. So 2 pi R. Here the R is the small letter, because you are finding the inner radius. That is why the radius will be smaller. And for the outer curved surface area, you will use the capital R, because you are using the outer diameter. So here equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius. So it's small r. So here it is given 2. So it is given 2. So 2 into h. So here h is 77 centimeter square, because you are finding the area. So it will be 11 equals to. So 2 into 2, 4, 8. So it will be 88 into 11. So it will be 96. So it will be 968 centimeters square. 968 centimeter square. This is the inner CSA. That means you have found this area. That is the surface inside the pipe. So that is why you have got this one. So this is the curved one. This is inside. So this will be called the inner CSA because that will form a cylinder. Now you are going to find the outer CSA. So you are going to find the outer surface area. Number 2, outer CSA. So outer curved surface area. So now here radius is going to be capital R because for the outer you have used the outer diameter and from that you have got the outer radius. So now the letter is capital. So it will be now 2 pi r h. Now you see. So for the inner radius is the small r and for the outer radius is capital R. But the height is the same because height will be the only there will be single. So now equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into r radius. So here capital R. So that is given 2.2. So 2.2 into h. H is given 77 centimeters square. So it will be 7 into 11. 7 into 11. So here you got so 22 into 22. So you will get 484. If you do this simplification, you will get 484 into so 22. So you got here 1064. So 1064.8 centimeters square. So this is the outer curved surface area. This one is the inner curved surface area. Now they have asked one more question. That is the total area. Total area. Now number 3, there is the total area. So how to get the total area? So that means you are going to count the entire surface, both at the circular ends, the inner and the outer. So that means the inner CSA. If we say in this way, so inner curved surface, then plus the outer CSA, that is the outer curved surface area plus the area of the ring. Area of the ring. So let us take this as the pipe. Now you have seen that they have said that how much surface is there in the pipe. So you have got the inner surface. So inner is there. Then you have got the outer surface. And then you have got one more, that is the ring area. So this is called the area of the ring. So these two. So as I have given you that how to find the means area of the ring, then I have given you. So supposing this is the one area of the ring at both ends. So on both ends you have got. So here to get its area, so here radius, inner radius. So this is the outer radius of this circle, outer one. It is capital R. So to get the area of this part, I have told you that you will use pi r square. So pi r square. And to get the whole area of this one, here the radius is r. To cover the whole area of this circle, whole area. So the radius is r. It will be pi r square. So pi r square means the whole area within this outer circle. So that is the complete area within this. So this pi r square, capital R, it means the whole area, and this pi r square, it means this area within the circle. That is the inner circle. This much. So from the total area, that is pi r square, that means this whole area, complete area, minus this inner area. So this pi r square, and you take this pi common, so it will be r square minus r square. So this is the area of just that is what, one end. So you got the area of just this end, only this part, but there is double. So there is double end means both ends. That is why you are going to make it double, so twice. So now here, so you got the inner CSA. So the inner CSA you got 968, so 968 plus the outer CSA, you got the outer CSA 1064.8, so 0.8 plus the area of the ring. So you have got the both ends, so it will be double, so twice pi, it will be r square minus r square. So equals, so 1064.8 968.0, so it will be 82302. So 2032.8 plus, so here this 2 you got this much plus 2 into 22/7 into r square, so the r, so here r is given 2.2, so 2.2 square minus r square, that one is given 2, so this one is 2, so it will be 2 square equals to 2032.8 plus, you will get here 44/7, 22 into 2, 44/7 into, so you are going to multiply twice because there is a square, so you will get 4.84 minus, you will get 4, so 2 square is 4, and then multiply 22 twice, you will get 4.84. So equals to, so 2032.8 plus 44/7 into, now 4.84 minus 4.00, you will get 0.84, so it will be 0.84. So equals to, so 2032.8 plus 44/7 into, just make it fraction, so it will be 84 divided by, so after the point there is 2 digits, it will be 100. So 7 12s are 7 to 1 7 2. So equals to 2032.8 plus, so 12 4s are 48, 4 in hand, 12 4s are 48 plus 4 52. So you will get 52 divided by 100. So equals to 2032.8 plus, now there is number of 0 is 2, point will move after 2 digits towards the left side. So there, since the number of 0 is 2, so the point will move towards the left after 2 digits, so that will be 5.28. So here now it will be 5.28, so it will be 807, so 2038, so 2038.08 centimeters square. So this is the total area of the pipe. So the calculation you will need to practice. So this much for today. Thank you.